Hello friends, I have a very quick tutorial for you today. I'm going to show you how to turn the top portion of the penny dress into a cowl neck. The key to making this work is choosing a very drapey fabric. So a very soft like satin, even a silk would work, something that's very drapey. But if you find that you didn't choose a drapey enough fabric, I have a little tip to show you how to kind of fix that and create a mock cowl neck. Anyways, let's jump into it. Start with an assembled top portion of the penny dress. Tape the fold line to a couple pieces of paper. Then, using the neckline as a guide, draw a straight line out by about 6 to 10 centimeters. The longer you make this, the deeper the cowl. Draw a line to connect the bottom front to the line you just made. And then cut that out, so you should have something that looks like this. When cutting out your fabric, you'll want to line up that new edge like this on the fold. If you're wanting to turn this into a top, you will have to shorten it and level off the bottom. I'm shortening mine by about 1.5 centimeters. And then I'm kind of leveling out the bottom like this. You could do a straight line, but I prefer a bit of a curve. It just fits a little nicer. Whether you choose to do just a top or the full dress, cut out your pieces and sew up your darts. You should have your main fabric and your lining, and it should be very rounded at the front like this. If the front middle is pointy, feel free to curve that off with a pair of scissors or a rotary blade. Then assemble the rest of the penny dress just like the original tutorial. And here's the finished cowl neck. I decided to make mine into a top, and I also made the straps extra long so I could tie them in the front. If you finish your top and the fabric is too stiff or you just don't like the drape, I will show you how to fix that. Fold your top in half and line up the edges in darts. Then mark the top center and middle center with pins. The middle pin should line up with the darts. Then, starting from the top center, scrunch up your fabric until you meet that middle pin. Hand sew a couple stitches in the middle to hold that in place. And there you go, it's that easy. Well, I hope you found that pretty straightforward. If not, feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section. As you can see, you can also just turn this into a top and not have the skirt portion. And if you have a similar pattern, you can also do the same technique. It doesn't necessarily have to be my pattern, but I would really appreciate it if it was my pattern. Anyways, I love you and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.